Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to take product photos that sell, using nothing but your phone, and how to add them to your product page. Let's get started. Great photos start on your product pages. In your vendor menu, open Products, then click the product whose photos you want to improve. This is the product page. Everything a buyer sees, including every photo, is managed right here. Here is your current photo. To shoot photos like this with your phone, stand near a window for soft natural light, use a plain background, wipe your camera lens, and hold the phone steady. Never use the zoom. Step closer instead. Shoot 3 to 5 angles, the front, the back, a close-up of the details, and the product in use. Then click Select, or simply drag your photos into this box, and they all upload at once. Always upload the original photo straight from your phone, not a compressed copy from a chat app. Files up to 64 megabytes are accepted, so quality is never a problem. Click Save, and your new photos go live. The first image is your cover photo, the one buyers see in search results, so put your strongest shot first. You can drag your photos into a new order at any time. And that's it. You now know how to shoot photos that sell, and how to add them to your store. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.